Hello. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon,
Good
madam.
afternoon, Sanghavi sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Hello. Dear participants, we'll start within 5 minutes. Welcome, Sanghavi sir.
Thank you, madam.
Professor Patak sir, are you there?
Yes, yes.
You can give the instructions regarding the certificate issue.
So, dear participants, there will be two links that will be shared at the end of the session. One link is for feedback and other one is for the quiz. You have to give the feedback as well as quiz. Both the links will be open up to 8 p.m. today. So kindly give the feedback as well as quiz before the deadline.
And upon the attendance, we are going to download it from the MS Team. So be present on the time and attend the 2-hour session. Hello, Sanghavi sir, can you please turn on your camera?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am is going to join.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Should we start, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll start then.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Once again, good afternoon to all. Now again, with the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, we'll start with the day 2. It is my privilege to introduce our today's esteemed speaker, Professor Mahesh R. Sanghavi sir, an academician, researcher, and administrator with over 23 years of experience in computer engineering education. Professor Sanghavi holds PhD in computer engineering and has served in several important academic leadership roles, including Vice Principal, Dean Academics, and he is currently the Joint Director at SNJB's Ledsau KB Jain College of Engineering, Chandwad. He is recognized as PhD guide. Also, he is an active member of the curriculum development committees, and he has published over 40 research papers in various reputed journals. He has also successfully completed several consultancy projects in networking, cybersecurity, software development, and IT infrastructure. He has received several awards for his contributions to teaching, research, and academic leadership. His areas of the expertise include image and the video processing, IoT, big data analytics, database, and the business intelligence. We are delighted to have Professor Mahesh R. Sanghavi sir with us today. So, on behalf of Department of Data Science, R.C. Patel Institute of Technology, Shirpur, I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Sanghavi sir and invite him to deliver today's session. Please, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, completely.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. You are
Yes, sir.
audible.
Yes.
Yes.
Hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible.
Yeah. So very good afternoon to all. Respected Principal Dr. J.B. Patil sir. Respected Ujjwala Patil madam. Head of Computer Engineering Department of Data Science. Dr. Preeti Sanjekar madam, who is faculty coordinator. All teachers, all gurus, all faculty members. It is my immense pleasure to give somewhat lights on this AI tools for teaching and learning. I'm sure this session will be useful to you all. Many of you must have used these tools, but I'm sure something new should be given to you. Those who will be expert, those who are entrant, this session will be most useful for them. So let us start with this session. So there's many points that we will deliver today. Here, Slido and Mentimeter are ICT tools. Means first one and the last one. Remaining all are AI tools. So my question to you all, what is the difference between AI tool and ICT tool? I'll be happy to see on chat window answers.
Yes. All participants are requested to interact with the sir to have our session very interactive.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. The difference between ICT tool and AI tool. I'm waiting
You
for
can
your
have your
answer.
answer in the chat box. Participants can reply in the chat box.
You know, as a teacher, we have habit to ask the questions, right? Yeah, so Mayur Patil sir has given answer. Okay, that ICT tool is used to communicate, store, and manage information. An AI tool analyzes data, learns patterns, and makes intelligent decisions. Okay, Ramya ma'am also has given answer. Vaishali Gaikwad madam also given an answer that ICT user has to give all contents. Perfect. Ramya ma'am has given tools like elements and other teaching tools are come under category of ICT tools. Even Dhananjay sir also answered. Okay, dear friends, let me answer this question. ICT tool, rightly said by many of you, by which we can have online teaching. We don't generate any content. We need to supply each and every content. But in case of AI, specifically if I talk about generative AI, we can give a text. It may give us a bigger text. We may give huge text and it may summarize it. We may give text and it will give us image. We will give image and it will give us text. And like all combinations of text, image, audio, video, animation can be possible. Okay, so the way I have told you that the first and last tools will be ICT tool. Remaining all will be, the AI tools. Now the next is which tools you know. Okay, so you need to scan this QR code and answer. I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you all in between so that I'll understand which tools are known to all. So the less emphasis will be given to that tools and more on the newer one. Just scan this QR code and answer the question. You can give multiple options. I hope Slido is visible to you all. Can you access
Yes,
it
sir.
through your mobile?
Ye-
Yeah, great.
Yes, sir. Sliders.
I can see the answers given by almost 20 people. So answers are here. 100% people knows ChatGPT. 82% Perplexity AI. 41% Notebook LM. 27% Napkin AI. Slido 9%. And the next tool is just of 5%. Fine. So thanks to all 23 participants for giving your answer so that it will be easy for me to, start with the session. Okay, so let us think about, like, people have given 8% people have given, that they know Slido. Okay, remaining people are not aware of Slido. So let me tell you what is exactly Slido. Slido is a tool by which we can create, the various quizzes. Okay, so many different options are available into Slido. So here you can observe Slido. You can create audience question answer, multiple choice, world cloud, open text, ideas, ranking, rating, quiz, and survey. What you need to do for this? But before I start, I would like to show you this. This is my blog where you will get all the contents, all the slides of today's session. Okay, so I'm simply sharing that on chat box. Yes, I have shared the link. The moment you will open this link, this is 176th session. Okay, that you can observe. It is national level FDP on generative AI and emerging AI. Okay, specifically it is organized by R.C. Patel College of Engineering. Okay, and you can observe the names of organizers also. This PPT is available for me only, but you can download this PDF. Okay, so the PPTs will be with you. Now, going towards Slido, I'll simply share the link of Slido with you. And then I'll let you know, means those who can, go for hands-on can try this immediately. I'm sharing the link of Slido with you. So link is shared. Once you open this link, it will ask you about, the login. The prerequisite for today's session, you just need Gmail account. You can log into Slido by using your Gmail account. Then probably you will be at this home slide. You will be here. And on right top corner, you will get create Slido. Once you click on create Slido, it will ask you for a Slido name. So any Slido name you can give here. Suppose RC, PIT, FDP. I have given this name. You can give here start date and end date. It means that this Slido will be active from start date to end date. So the default date is there 14th July, and it will be till 15th 16th July. And then you can click on create Slido. When you click on create Slido, such type of canvas will be in front of you where you can create your own Slido. For example, here I'm adding one Slido, suppose multiple choice question. Okay, here you can type a question. Which is the capital of India? And then I can mention here the options: Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, and then Nagpur. Suppose this type of questions you have asked. And then it has various settings like poll setting, which is available on right top corner. You can click on that. If you feel that it is multiple choice question and only one choice is right, then don't touch to this button. But if your question has multiple selection operation, in that case, you need to select here. Then it is asking you whether you have to give facility to all 4 options or only 2. So it is up to you. Okay. For this question, this option is not applicable, but just for the sake of understanding, I have shared you. Okay. So remaining other options you can very well observe and customize your poll. Okay. Once it is done, you can present this poll in a classroom or any of the session. Okay. This way it will be visible. Student has to scan this QR code. Once they scan this QR code, okay, whatever answers they will give, live answers will be visible to you. Right? 1 or 2 member can scan and simply give the answer, so that you will understand how the results are displayed. Great. So you can observe that 4 people have given answer and they have given a right answer, that is Delhi. So friends, the purpose of this Slido is you can create a Slido for a session, maybe for your every lecture, and in last 5 minutes, you can display this Slido, and whatever content that you have delivered today, that you can create, like you can already create a Slido for that, and that you can display to the students. Students will scan it and they can answer. We all are aware that Gen Z, if we say that don't use mobile, they will not listen. Then it's better to use mobile for good work. So that way we can always do. So what will happen with this? How I'm just sharing my own case study. In every lecture, I have created a Slido. At the end of whatever content I have delivered, based on that, I'm showing a question. The moment students are answering it, just observing that if I have set one of the threshold for me, that is 50% students have given right answer. Normally, I never repeat that topic again. But if it is below threshold, the goal of my next lecture will start from whatever I have covered that I need to revise again. This is what the motive behind this Slido tool. Who is right, who is wrong, that doesn't matter here. How like this here, mainly statistics are important. How many students are right, that we should understand. So this is not like your Google form. In Google form, you will get who is right, who is wrong. So this is not useful for conducting test, but it is very much useful to conduct feedback of your own session, feedback of your own lecture. And based on that, you can decide whether whatever you have delivered is really reached. That's the beauty. Okay, so likewise, you can create various Slido. Okay, different ways are there to create. Once you can able to create any one Slido, I'm sure you can create any number of Slidos. Right? Again, for free version, there are limited Slidos that you can create. 20 Slidos can be possible. Okay, more than that, if you want to create, either purchase or simply remove the older one. Again, you can create new 20. Right? So this way you can use Slido. If you have any question related to Slido, you can ask. Otherwise, we can move toward the next tool. This is ICT tool. This is not AI tool.
Participants can put your question on the chat box on the Slido. There is one question, sir. How to add the options in the Slido?
Add options. Here
Yes.
is, see that you will get one more like add option button. When you click here, you can add, let's say, Hyderabad. I hope I have answered your query.
Dr. Mohit, sir. Yes, they got their answer.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Any other query? Fine. So let's move towards the new tool. See that from this Slido, I came to know that majority of you is well aware of this ChatGPT. So I should not talk much on this ChatGPT, or at least one thing is clear to me. I should not discuss the entry level part of ChatGPT. Right? So this is what the benefit that I'm getting from Slido. So let us work on ChatGPT. What I have done for ChatGPT, entire course file we can automate by using ChatGPT. For example, if you ask me about our course file, I'm just showing it to you.
So sorry for the disturbance.
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
few
Yes.
questions regarding the Slido. What about the mathematical symbols and the functions in the Slido? Can we import it? That is one of the question.
Okay. Let me open the Slido again. Yeah, one of the question is that if I have to add more questions in Slido, Slido is mainly for one question at a time. In that case, you need to create multiple questions. Whatever which is most important point or a topic in your session, that you can cover here. Okay, so that in 1 minute or 2 minutes of a span, you can observe whether the point that you have conveyed or delivered is clear to the students or not. Okay, so that was the logic. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, the question related to mathematics, let me check. Even I have never tried for that. how to add or display data graph analysis in slide so that it can be quickly located. Madam, that sorry, sir, Harshal sir, that option is not available in free version. In that case, we need to always switch to the Slido. Okay, so suppose I have created this FDP. No, unfortunately, there is no facility to add image in a question. Okay, so I'm sure there will be a problem for mathematics, but still I'll try for that. No, currently we cannot add, the mathematical formulas. Okay, but what I can do is I'll be happy if I get your email ID. Those who have asked this question, please post your email ID so that I'll definitely identify the solution and I'll definitely come back to you. No. We cannot create course file in Slido. It is possible through ChatGPT. That I'll share. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So somebody has asked the question about how can we add, mathematical equations into this question or maybe in options. Currently, I'm not observing that kind of, the option here, but I'll definitely look at that. Yeah, thank you for sharing your email ID. I'll simply copy it and I'll definitely answer you in this. Okay. So let's move on the next point. I was talking about this creation of course file using ChatGPT, right? So suppose I have this ChatGPT with me. What we can do with ChatGPT is we can create entire course file. Okay, these are the contents of our course file. So many points are there, and I'm sure that normally similar contents are there or index for course file will be there for each and every person, right? So I'll focus more on the syllabus, then course planning, that is teaching plan. Okay, then list of books and then university result, question papers, notes, material and all. Okay, so what I will show you how we can create means this course file, this entire course file I have created just in 1 hour. Okay, and how it is possible. So I'll share that with you. I have written one ebook, that is course file versus ChatGPT. I'll share the link of that book to you all. So this is the book. I'm mainly addressing, the pain points of all faculty member. Every faculty member love to teach in a classroom, but our majority of the time is actually going for creation of documentation. Okay, so this is the book. Design your course file with ChatGPT prompts. Okay, and you can see the names of these authors. I'm equally thankful to Kenjan Sanghavi, Santosh Sancheti, and Bhavna Khewsra. These are all faculty of my institute for contributing in this book. So how to use this book, just I'm sharing. See that the prompts are given here. You need to simply copy this prompt, and whatever which is given in this angular bracket, that uh, that it's like a fill in the blank. You need to mention your course name, then course code, then for which class you are teaching, under which university your institute is coming. So that way you need to mention all these prompts. When you copy and paste, your course file will be ready between 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Okay, so I'll show you some of the highlights of this. So how to create question paper? This is this you can do. This is the prompt. Let us understand this prompt, what this prompt exactly is doing. Prepare a question paper on unit 1, unit 2 till unit n. It's up to you. If you have a question paper for first 2 units, you can just mention first 2 units. Okay, till 6 units, you can mention 6. Based on the above syllabus, you need to mention syllabus here in the whatever green you are observing, no? So if you are considering unit 1 and unit 2, you need to give your syllabus here. Okay, and you want this question paper in tabular form, having columns like column 1, column 2, column 3 till column n. Now you can mention here your own columns, depends on the format given by your institute. Normal format is like Bloom's taxonomy we are mentioning, then course outcome we are mentioning, then question number is coming, question which question you are asking, that is coming. Okay, total marks of that question. Then probably people are taking, the marking scheme, sometimes unit number. So entire columns you can mention here. The next total marks will be of, suppose if this question paper is of 30 marks, you can mention here 30. Again, you need to give unit distribution here. Unit 1 will be for 15 marks and unit 2 will be for 15 marks. Okay, likewise, you can give the marks of each and every unit. Then question paper must contains how many number of questions that you need to mention here. Okay, per unit. For example, suppose I have to ask 2 bits on first question, that you can mention here. Okay, and each and every units, like whatever bits that you are giving, means question 1A and question 1B. Suppose question 1 is for 15 marks. Out of that, question 1A is for 8 marks and question 1B is for 7 marks. That detailing you need to mention here. Okay, then here create OR for question 1 and question 2 and question n. So for every question, if you have OR question, that you can mention here. Make sure that all first bit should be on Bloom's level. So if you feel that your first bit, that is question 1A, question 2A, question 3A, all should match with what, let's level 2, that is understanding. In that case, you can mention here. And second bit must be of Bloom's level 3. So that way you can create your own question paper. So this is what the template that I have given. And here you can observe I have given one of the prompt. Okay, this prompt is saying that I have to create a question paper of 30 marks, which will be having 2 units, unit 1 and 2. Unit 1 will be for 15 marks. Unit 2 will be again for 15 marks. Okay, here in every question, there will be 2 bits. First bit must be of 8 marks and second will be 7. Okay, and I need OR also. Even first question will be matching with Bloom's level 2 and second will be matching with Bloom's level 3. Okay, that way I have to create my own question paper. So what I'm doing is simply copying this, Control C, and I'll go to ChatGPT. What input will be needed for this? I need to download my syllabus copy. Okay, so I'm simply downloading it right now. So syllabus is there. It must be there available with you all in a PDF form, right? So simply download that. I hope steps are clear to you all. So what I'm doing is, what input will be needed for this prompt? You need to mention the syllabus. Okay, so this is the syllabus. I'm simply downloading it. So I'll just store it into desktop. Once stored, then I'll go to ChatGPT again. I'll upload the syllabus here. Upload the file. Which file? That is syllabus file. Okay, which is available here on desktop. This one. And simply copy and paste the prompt that I have given. I'll paste that prompt here. Okay, and simply go. See what it is doing now. So it should create question paper of 30 marks. See that it has taken a name of course automatically from PDF. Okay, total marks will be 30. Unit 1 will be for 15 marks, 2 will be for 15 marks, 2 questions per unit. Question 1 will be for 8 plus 7 marks, that is total 15. Again, 2 will be having same way, and again OR will be provided. Okay, so first sub question, that is A, will be matching with Bloom's level 2, and B will be matching with what? Level 3. Even it is taking care of COs which is mapped, right? And now below you can see the question paper which is ready. That is question 1A. Okay, it has given the question. Then it is for 8 marks. Marking scheme is given. Again, the unit number is given, for which CO it is mapping. Okay, that is also given. And even it has given me the CO, the Bloom's level. Okay, so here you can observe entire question paper will be ready. What is my job then? Simply copy and paste it into what? Wherever I want. So I have pasted it here in Google spreadsheet. Then I'll read each and every question. Now this is ethical practice that everyone should use. Any content that you are generating from any of the AI tool, it is your responsibility to read it. You can anytime customize it if needed. See that the question paper is ready. I can simply read these questions.
Sorry to disturb you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Few participants are asking for the prompt.
Yeah. I'll share.
Again,
It's already
they are asking
available
for
on,
the book link also.
Yes. Book link I'll definitely give you. Okay.
Yes.
This PPT, I have already shared the link of this, this expert talk where PDF is available. So you simply download and you can later on copy this and you can use it for your own syllabus. Whatever which is not in black, like blue or green, that you can customize. Okay. I'm just showing you how you can use this book. Otherwise, just giving book will not help you. Fine. So this question paper is ready. You can observe they have even added the matrix. So naturally, the question was there related to mathematical equation. That will definitely come here in ChatGPT. Okay. Slido, yes, I'll definitely answer. So please follow one ethical practice. Whatever answer it is generating, sorry, whatever question it is generating, it is our duty to read each and every. Okay. And you can even customize it if needed. And then you can provide it to the students. Is it okay? So what ethics is given by any of the AI tools that everyone should follow? Any of the AI tool must be used by expert, not an entrant. यानी सिंपल फॉर्म में यदि मैं बोलूं तो यदि आपको जवाब पता होगा तो ही उसे क्वेश्चन करना. या जिस चीज का आपको जवाब ही नहीं पता है, please don't ask it to any of the AI tool. It may give you wrong answer. Okay, so this way we have created question paper. Fine, let me check the chat window, anything which is written there. You want to paste prompt here? I'll paste here. Okay, I have given prompt in chat window also. Fine. Okay, so now next point. Is it fine? You all can able to create question paper now? Okay, I'm observing some thumbs. It means you all can. Now moving towards the next point. Poster देखा, report बन गया. That means we'll show the poster and create a report. For example, I'll be happy if I get a poster of this national level FDP. Can you please share me on my email or can you share it on chat window? Sorry, organizer, I'm troubling you a lot. Preeti madam?
Yes, sir, I am sharing.
Yeah. So what I can do, I'll create the report for this national level FDP. I just want the banner.
Just a minute, sir.
Yes. Yeah, syllabus creation is taking much time. Those who are coming under autonomous institute, those who are under the, any of the private university, and if you want to create a syllabus, I'm sure you all can able to create a syllabus curriculum by using this also, but appropriate input should be given to the chat GPT. Rutuja ma'am, please download PDF file. That PDF will be accessible to you all.
So please check your mail. I have sent the banner leaflet to you.
Yeah, thank you. I have received the banner. I'm simply downloading it. I'll show you the banner. So this is the banner that they have created. Okay, based on this banner, we have to create the report of this entire FDP. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'll go to new prompt. Okay, so new prompt is here. Whatever banner that I have downloaded, I'll simply add here. Okay, so banner is uploaded. See, you can observe the name I have given here. पोस्टर देखा, रिपोर्ट बन गया. यानी पोस्टर देखेगा वो and it will create a report. How? By using this format. Now you can customize this format according to your own, need. Just 1 second. बहु मैं एक मीटिंग में आपने कॉल करो, एक सेशन लिए हुए आपने कॉल करो थोड़ा देर में. Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this prompt is telling us write an event report with following format: name of the event, date of the event. So there are total, the 17 points that I have taken. Okay, that is name of the event, date of the event, event conduction duration, university or funding agency, the objective of session, outcome of the session, then resource person details, program coordinator, expected audience, then number of participants, course content, COPO mapping, event moments. अब ये event moments हमें देना पड़ेगा, right? Post for Facebook, news of newspaper in Marathi, appreciation letter to resource person from director of the institute, feedback form of the event, right? So I'm copying it and giving it to ChatGPT. So I have simply uploaded the poster and giving this prompt. I'll share this prompt with you also. Okay, it has started creating report. Prompt is shared. So what I have done is, see that you can see the event report, 1 week national level faculty development program, that is FDP. Theme, generative AI and emerging AI technologies, organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering in bracket data science. From the institute name, that is RCPIT Shirpur. Date of the event 13 July to 17 July. Event conduction duration 5 days, time 2 to 4 p.m. Mode online. So total contact hours will be 10 hours. University funding or agency sponsored. So department itself is what? The funding agency. These are the objectives which are given. Okay. Then next is outcomes which are given. Then the resource person details. And see the beauty, it has highlighted my name here. Why? Because my ChatGPT knows that it is given by me, right? And total 7 resource persons, sorry, all 5 days resource persons are mentioned here, along with the name of their institutes. Okay, by observing this, I can say this is right because it has given my post as well as what my institute name properly, even my name properly. Okay, then program coordinator, Dr. Patil madam and Dr. Pramod Devre sir. Their names are also given here. Convener is again Ujjwala Patil madam. So that is given. Her designation is also given. Then coordinator Dr. Preeti Sanjekar madam. Co-coordinator is Pathak sir. So that way everything is given here. Expected audience, again it is given here. The number of participants that we need to fill in the blank, right? So this much we need to mention. Then course content, it has taken day 1, what will happen, day 2, what will happen, day 3, what will happen. So entire details it has taken. Then even it has given COPO mapping. So whatever COs it has created, based on that, it has mapped with PO. Currently, it is taking 12 POs. In this case, we need to train this first with new 11 POs. Then this will be appropriate. Then event moment, it has given some information, but yes, it has given an idea which photographs we need to add. That is inauguration, technical sessions, hands-on practice, entire thing it has given. Even validatory function, and at last you will definitely take what group photo. So that will be kept here. Then post for Facebook. So that is also created. Even it has taken care of hashtag of RCPID. Then newspaper news, that is in Marathi. So that is also created here. Again, it has taken my name. That's good. Okay, so that way it is actually creating. Then appreciation letter, my appreciation letter is ready. Okay, appreciation for delivering expert talk. Again, it has taken a name of principal. That is director Dr. Jain Patil sir. It has taken a name. Finally, the 17th, that is last point, feedback. That feedback form is also ready. You can even convert this feedback form into Google form. This way, it has created an entire report. Okay, so just you need to upload the poster, provide this prompt, and you will get entire event report. Right? So Preeti madam, your job will be simple then.
Yes, sir. Yes, definitely.
Right. So you can later on customize it. Whatever 17 points that is given, that is according to our format. You can anytime customize it. Fine. Okay, so this is all about poster dekha, report ban gaya. Now next point is about how we can create various reports which is needed. For example, in teaching learning process, we are actually conducting various different methodologies. Okay, for example, in NBA, National Board of Accreditation, they're always asking us what different you are doing in teaching learning process. Are you using any pedagogical initiatives? Are you using any ICT tools? We normally do that, but creating a report of that is always a challenging part. So what I have done here, I have shown this diagram to my students and decided to have one pedagogy, that why not to have a memory competition here. Okay, so I have shown this diagram to the students, given them 10 minutes to memorize this diagram. And for last 5 minutes, I have given to draw this diagram by their own. Those who have completed this diagram is awarded. Okay, so this is what the memory game competition that I have taken. So this you can even observe on my course file, what exactly I have done. So this is my DBMS course file, and I'm simply opening my teaching plan. So in this teaching plan, what we have added is, and one more thing, that all our UG department are, the NBA accredited. Okay, even we have faced the compliance and entire department, huge departments are accredited. We have shown this, teaching plan to the committee, and they appreciated a lot. So I'll show you that and how this ChatGPT can help us to create various reports that I wanted to show you all. So you can observe here. Yeah, let me take my own teaching plan. It's at division B. So now you can see my name here. And what we have done is, just a minute. See here. Okay, I'll simply highlight it so that it will be visible to all. I have made it yellow. Lecture plus PPT plus memory game. This I have mentioned in my teaching plan. Okay, but committee always wants proof. So what I have done is, this report is actually kept here only. So I'll simply open that report. So this report will be visible to you all. Here you can observe, I have mentioned here activity memory game. Okay, that is drawing diagram. Objectives are given. What material is needed, that is mentioned here. Instructions, that is introduce the memory game. Demonstrate the process. Memory game round 1. Then share and discuss. And finally, you can see that this is the diagram that I have shown. And these many students were present in a classroom, and they all were actually, memorizing this diagram. And then you can observe that they were drawing that diagram by their own. Okay, so memorizing is done. And this is the girl who is just standing beside me. She draw this entire diagram accurately. And the second girl, who has actually drawn the entire diagram right correctly, but her one arrow was missing. Okay, so she stood second. So I called both of them on a stage and asked her to felicitate. So this is what we are actually following. Whatever I have given is star of the class. The star of the class concept we have actually introduced. If they submit the star of the class to any of the lab file, they will directly get 1 marks in a final marks. That is what the provision that we have made. And this scheme was well appreciated by, the NBA committee. Okay, so this entire report, except these photographs, is prepared by this ChatGPT. Okay, how? So I'll simply show you that. So this is the prompt. What this prompt is asking you, create an activity report for the class. Okay, which class that you need to mention, where I have conducted the memory game for students on the topic, whatever topic that you need to mention. Class conducted on which day that you need to mention. Initially, the system architecture shown and explained to the students. And for memorizing the architecture, 15 minutes activity memory game were played, where the system architecture is shown to the students for 10 minutes using interactive panel, and then ask them to draw in 5 minutes. Those who draw a complete diagram is awarded with a Cadbury. Starting में 2025 में Cadbury दिया था, बाद में स्टार ऑफ द क्लास मैंने दिया था. So I'm copying this prompt. Okay, I'm simply copying this prompt and go to ChatGPT. I'll go with new prompt. And paste this prompt. What I'm doing now, instead of 1st January, simply changing the date. That is 15th July 2026. Okay, and instead of this, I'm not mentioning anything, simply mentioning that will be awarded. And say go. I'll copy this prompt and provide you. And now you can see that activity report is ready. Name of the activity is given. Course name is given. Class is given. Date is given. Duration is given. Faculty coordinator is given. Topic covered is given. Objectives are given. Description is also given where 10 minutes, okay, will be like given for memorization and 5 minutes will be given for what? Writing that diagram on paper. Then learning outcomes, then pedagogical approach. It will show you that which pedagogical approach it is touching. What are the assessment methods that it is given? Okay, even it is mapping with what certain Bloom's levels. And my name along with faculty coordinator, entire details is given. So I can simply copy and prepare this report. So friends, many times you all are actually, conducting different pedagogies initiatives, but documenting it is a challenging part. For that, you can always use this ChatGPT. Is it clear? I'll share the prompt with you on. So prompt of this is also shared with you. Okay. So when I have taken a feedback from our students, okay, they said, sir, ki, like, that this Gen Z generation is very frank in speaking. तो एक लड़का मुझे उठ के बोलता है कि सर ये आप फोर्सफुली सबसे मैंने जस्ट फीडबैक पूछा कि कैसे लगा आप लोगों को ये मेमोरी गेम मैंने लिया तो फिर एक बच्चा मुझे बोलता है कि सर ये ऐसा फोर्सफुली आप हमको पढ़ने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, मेमोराइज करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, तो ये अच्छा नहीं है, सबका मूड सही नहीं होता है. Then I thought on this, and in 2026 I have added ICT rule into this. I'll show you that. So I am a puzzle. I'll share the link with you. You can create a jigsaw various puzzles. फास्ट तो नहीं हो रहा है, समझ रहा है आप लोगों को? Yes, you all can access all these prompts from the PDF. It is copy paste. Thank you for your answers. So I have shared the the link of puzzle also. You can create your own puzzle. Just focus here now. I have given a link. The moment you will open this link, okay, the moment you will open this link, it will ask you whether you want to play the puzzle or you want to create a puzzle. I have to make my own puzzle, so I'm simply clicking on make your own. So I've clicked on that. Then whatever diagram I want to know, that I can upload here. Okay, it is asking me to upload. So now if the diagram is available, we can upload. What I can do is I'll upload my own photograph. So it will be easy. So I have just uploaded my own photograph. So instead of photograph, logically you need to take diagram. Okay. And now you can observe this photograph. This is my photograph. And now difficulty level is up to you. You want to take 9 pieces, 16 pieces, 30. Okay. So any number of pieces that you can do. Then how you want classic. This is the classic way. If you want heart, you can click on heart. So it will be converted. It will get converted into heart, star. Okay. And other options are given. So I'll take classic only. And I'll say play the puzzle. You can even share this puzzle with students. Okay. And along with that link, student, the moment they will click on that link, the puzzle will be in front of them. So here you can observe the puzzle is here. Okay. My photograph is broken into different puzzles. So what I'm doing is I'm playing this puzzle. Okay. See, you can observe here, it is giving me some symbol if it is right. If connection is right, then it is giving you some kind of symbol. See, observe that. Okay. So this way you can play entire puzzle. So I'm simply playing this puzzle. अब डायग्राम उनको मेमोराइज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. डायग्राम उनके सामने रहेगी, उन्हें सिंपली क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसे कनेक्ट करना होगा. See the way I have done. Okay, what it is giving me in answer in 0.52 second. Okay, sorry, in 52 seconds I have completed this puzzle. So here, to whom I can give the award? Fastest finger first. Those who will complete this diagram fast, they will get, the award. I hope it is clear. So what I have done, I have added pedagogy as well as ICT. Pedagogy is memory game, and ICT tool is your IM puzzle. So both the combinations I have used. Okay, so this was the bonus tip that I have shown you. Okay, so IM puzzle you all can use, and I'm sure you will enjoy this. Students will definitely enjoy this in a classroom. Okay, so this way we have created what? The last minute report, which is normally needed for various NBA and NAC. Now the next point, how to create teaching plan. Okay, again, teaching plan is possible. This is the prompt for teaching plan. And this I have, I'll make it simple and share with you all. What I have done with this, I'll just let you know. Prepare the teaching plan for this entire content. I'll simply change the color so that it will be visible to you all. So whatever color, green color is given is syllabus of first unit. Okay, exactly with the 7 hours, because this entire content I have to cover in 7 hours. And this is given as an input in a syllabus itself. Okay, our teaching plan is in tabular form with a column such as lecture number, unit number, and I have mentioned here 1 directly because this I am preparing for unit number 1. Then topic name, method, that is teaching method, then plan date, date of completion, then CO also I have made equal to 1 because our unit 1 is matching with CO1. Then resources required, then remark. Okay, the next prompt I have given, the lecture is scheduled on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Because my lectures are scheduled on in these 4 days. In your case, whatever days which will be there, that you need to mention. Okay, and it will start from 1st July 2025. Now this we can customize according to your own date. Then I have given a prompt, avoid the national holidays as per India's Hindu calendar, especially for Maharashtra state engineering colleges, if any. Means मैंने क्या किया, मैंने उसी को बोला कि तू ही ढूंढ ले कि कौन से हॉलीडेज है. ओके, बेस्ड ऑन दैट वो हॉलीडेज पे डेट मत लेना, प्लान डेट मत लेना, यानी ये कोई मिस्टेक हमारे से होने का काम नहीं रहेगा. I hope it is clear. The prompt is clear. So what I'm doing is I'm simply copy this prompt. I'll share with you also and I'll paste it here. I'll take new prompt and simply paste the prompt that I have given and say go. Okay, so it is creating a teaching plan. I'll share this with you on chat. Okay, so there are certain questions. Meanwhile, it is creating a teaching plan. I'll just quickly take this. Yeah, thank you for your appreciation. There is question from Swati Madam. Can we conduct puzzle activity for a class of 80 to 85 students online? Madam, I have tested till 50. I have never tested beyond 50. Okay, so let's try for that also. Okay, the same, almost the questions are matching. Can we take for, if we have a class of 90 students, can we conduct this puzzle? I think we can. We need to try. No, nothing to do with free. I never tried more than 50. Yes, Dhananjay sir, everything is ready. It's our job now. Our job is actually getting simple. Yeah. At last, I will share the book link. Don't worry. Okay, logically, publisher has not permitted me to share this raw copy, but I'll definitely share with you all. Don't worry. Okay, now you can observe this teaching plan. Lecture number is given. Exactly 7 lecture it has taken. Unit number is 1. It has divided all the topic syllabus into these topics, subtopics. Method, it has taken interactive lecture, PPT, think, pair, share, demonstration, diagram drawing activity, problem solving, collaborative learning. So many things it has given. Okay. Then even it has taken what? The plan date. Actually, I have to mention 2026, but fine. It has taken according to 2025. So plan dates are also here. Only we need to mention the date of completion. CO is taken. Here you can observe the resources required. Interactive panel, PPT, whiteboard. Then remark is given, introduction with real life example. So again, copy and paste. So your teaching plan will also be ready. So friends, you can always use this prompts to create your teaching plan. Okay, so I have shared this with you all. This prompt is also shared with you all. Any question? If you have question, we can quickly take it. Okay, I'll show you how what else can be done with what this ChatGPT. Suppose this is my course file. Okay, I'll simply open that the course material. And here you can observe we have created the course material, the one-pager note, again by ChatGPT. And believe me, students are loving this like anything. See that these are the short notes. Okay, for sorting method, you can observe here my name when it is created. Then for sorting method, introduction is given, classification is given, common notation is given, and you can verify my handwriting is like this only. This is not my handwriting, but it is like my handwriting. So what I have done, I have given my handwritten notes, trained it. So ChatGPT was trained for my handwriting. And then later on, I asked ChatGPT to prepare short notes for all. Now you can observe here, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort, heap sort, all type of sorts are given. Okay. The codes in Java is also given here. Time complexity is also given. Then searching methods. All details of searching methods are given here. So these short notes will be very useful to the students, for preparing for the industry interview or maybe for examination. This is again prepared by whom? ChatGPT. So natural question will come how to create, right? So what I'm doing is see that suppose this is the short note which is available. I'll share this with you all. Okay. So what you need to do when you don't know about prompt and no one is ready to share prompt with you, then you can always use your smartness. I'll show you how. Simply upload that image. So that image is available. Just a minute here. Suppose I'm talking about stack application. Suppose I have given here. And now I'm giving a prompt. Prepare a short notes on, let us say, graph data structure. Based on the image attached. So simply copy that prompt and I'll share that with you. So what I have done, I have simply uploaded that image and asked to create short note. My prompt was wrong. Okay, I'll again try. Create a short note. Create the image for short note of graph data structures. Okay, this I need to copy. I need to take new prompt. My earlier prompt was wrong. So now I am correcting it. Uploading that same image. And now giving that prompt here. Create an image for short note on graph data structure as per the format enclosed. Now I'll give this prompt. Now it has started creating image. Okay, the moment it is creating, okay, I'll show you. Before that, I'll simply share the image with you and prompt. I don't know how to upload the image here. Can anyone will guide me how to upload image here in a chat prompt? Mohit sir, the name of the course is given, engineering physics and code is given. And you are saying that it's not working. Okay, this is something different from that you have given. This is just a prompt for introducing that engineering physics has course code like BT201. Okay, it is for first semester and it is mainly for RGPV Bhopal. It will just introduce, nothing else. Oh, okay, I have to use plus sign. Yeah, I'm trying for that, but it is giving me only two options: show formatting option, set delivery option. Yeah, prompt I have sent. Only want to acha, drag and drop. I'll try for that. I'm trying for drag and drop also, but it's not coming. So what I will do, I'll share with the Preeti ma'am. I'm sorry, Preeti ma'am, I'm troubling you again. So image is sent to Preeti madam. Preeti madam will share with you. Okay, so now it's time to see the output, whether outcome is there or not. Now you can observe that the output is there. See that it has created for graph data structure. I'll simply download it so that I can show you properly. See that it has created for this image. Now question comes how to remove my name and how you can add your name. Simply ask ChatGPT, replace name Mahesh Sanghavi with your name. That's it. That's it. It has created. And the people, those who are from computer engineering background, they can observe it has given a right information. That is graph, then types of graph. Okay, then various operations, important tips related to graph. Then adjacency matrix, then basic terminology, applications, its time complexity, its main important operations, that is BFS, DFS. Even it has represented using adjacency list. Okay, so that way it has created what? For short note on graph, right? So this is also possible by using ChatGPT. So that's it about ChatGPT, and I hope I have given you something new regarding this ChatGPT? Any question on ChatGPT? Yes. Yeah, thank you. Preeti madam has already shared the image with you all. Somebody has asked. Yeah, book link I'll definitely share. Don't worry. Please paste the prompt in chat window that I have already pasted each and every prompt that I have conducted. Yeah, Dhananjay sir, which steps you are talking about? Thank you, Rutuja madam. Which steps for creating short notes? Okay, fine. I'll show you. So what we need to do, what I have done is, I have uploaded one image that I have already sent you regarding application of stack. This will act as a base image. It will take format for your new image. Okay, so I have given input as this. And then I have mentioned this prompt, that is create an image for short note on the topic that you want. So I have given on graph data structure as per the format enclosed. So based on this format, it will create these notes, and then it has created this output. Clear? Dhananjay sir, is it clear? Yeah, Priyanka madam. Yeah. First image is important for format. Yeah, Priyanka madam has asked one of the question, can we make timetable using ChatGPT? Yes, it is possible. You need to give so many constraints. Okay, all detailed constraints that you need to mention. Okay, one of our timetable in charge has already created it. If I get prompt from her, I'll definitely share with you. Okay, but yes, she has prepared it and it was accepted by all. Yeah, Desai, ma'am, you have mentioned that instead of this, can we upload any PPT or any book? Yes, you can, but I have uploaded this just for a sake of format. Because if you want to create short notes like this, in that case, you can upload this format. Okay, books or notes you can always consider if you want that content should be taken from that. In that case, you can always mention. Fine. Okay, so let us move on what the new tool, new AI tool, that is Napkin AI. Napkin AI is one of the tool that convert your text into infographics. I'll show you how. Simply open the Napkin AI. I'll paste the prompt into chat window. Sorry, link of Napkin AI into chat window. You can simply open. Once you are opening it, it will again ask you about the get napkin free. Click on that. So it will open Napkin AI. Okay, so I'll take new napkin. It is asking me two options. What do you want to create today? Visuals or slides? This slides option is recently added. Means you can create slides by using this also. but there are different tools for creating slides. For example, you can use Gamma, you may use Claude, or you may use Notebook LM. They are fabulous. This tool you can use for creation of visuals. So I'll click on visual. After clicking visual, it has given me 4 options. You can directly paste an entire text here, describe your idea, and Napkin AI will generate images for you. You can even import file here. But I'm taking last option, that is blank napkin. So I'll click on that start. And it has given me blank napkin now. Okay, so what I'm doing is, in this entire PPTs, this was one of the boring PPT. Only text contents were available. And now I have to convert this into what? A beautiful infographics. What I will do, I will simply copy, and then paste it into napkin. Okay, so I have pasted it into napkin. Once you paste, you will get blue button, okay, on left of the text. Simply click on that. It will give you various different infographics. Okay, it has started creating the infographics. See that it is giving you an option. Which infographics you want? You have this option, you have this option, right? This one or this one. Okay, or this, or this, or this, or so many options are there. Okay, suppose I'm interested in this option, or maybe with this option. So I'll simply click on that. Now it is asking me color option. Suppose I'm interested in this color. So I have taken that. So now you can observe your boring text will be converted into this. You can even edit this entire image. Suppose I don't want this text. So I'll simply remove that. So the text is removed. You can even change the color. Suppose you don't want this pink color. Go to this color and make it blue. So it is up to you, like you can change the entire color. See, even it is given here. So I'll take this blue color. Now you can observe the Mentimeter color, earlier it was pink. Now I made it blue. So entire text you can change. You can even change the color of cap if needed. Okay. And once you are satisfied, simply go to download. That is export visual. Just click on that. It will ask you which background you want, dark or light. I'm interested in light background and in PNG format. So I'll simply download it. Okay, so image is downloaded. Okay, I'll simply remove this text and download this image here. So this image will be visible to you. I'll simply modify somewhat. That's it. So whatever boring content I have given, that I have converted into infographics. So friends, Napkin AI is the tool. You can always provide text and it will give you multiple options of infographics. Any infographics you can choose. After choosing infographics, it will give you, chance to choose the colors. Once done, you can modify all the colors or you can modify the text, customize it. And if you are happy with that, simply download or export it. And then later on, you can embed it into any of the report or PPTs. Is it clear? That's the use of Napkin AI.
There are few questions, sir, regarding the napkin AI. Hello.
Yeah. I'll just,
Animated PPTs can be prepared or not?
No. It is mainly for, it's not for animation. For animation, you can use Gemini because VO3 is wonderful version available there in Gemini. You can create animation into Gemini. Okay.
Dr. Sharyu,
This tool
what your
is
answer?
mainly for infographics. Yes. Sorry. So animated PPTs can be prepared. Yes, it is possible using AI. For that, you can always use Gemini, Google Gemini. So can we add our own PPT background, which we have created? Yes, always possible. Using Napkin AI, we can using Napkin AI, you can convert text into infographics only. You cannot give the GIF for any animations to that. Right. You can use Gamma for creating presentations. Even nowadays, people are using Claude. That is fabulous. Okay, fine. So I think Napkin AI you can enjoy. Moving towards the next tool. That is Notebook LM. So Notebook LM is the tool. It has mainly 3 parts. Okay, the first one where you can add your own sources. The second one, you can ask the query to the sources that you have uploaded. And the third one, by which you can create audio, video podcast, mind map, various reports, flashcard, quiz, infographics, even Google, even slides, as well as data table. I'll show you how. I'll share the link with you. It is a product of Google. I've shared the link of Notebook LM with you all. Can we add simple PPT, and is Napkin AI convert it into infographics entire PPT? Yes. There is one of the option where you can upload the file. Based on that, it will create new infographics. Dhananjay sir, I hope I have answered your query. Please create one PPT on any subject without giving material. Could you please show this? Yeah, I'll show you. That can be done in Notebook LM. I'll show you it in Notebook LM. So just go for try Notebook LM. What I can do is, I'll simply provide my syllabus to Notebook LM. I'll not do any other thing. I'll simply provide the syllabus to my Notebook LM. Okay, so this is what the Notebook LM. Simply go for create new. Okay, you can upload files here, or you can simply suppose I'm uploading my syllabus, which I have downloaded recently. Where it went? Okay, it was there on desktop, I guess. Yeah. So here updated syllabus. So I have uploaded one file, that is syllabus. So here you can add more sources if needed. You can provide the YouTube channel, means YouTube link. You can upload PDF, you can upload document, you can even provide the names of website. Entire thing can be given here. Okay, that is what there are basically this screen is divided into three parts. The left one is all about sources that I have talked. The middle one where you can ask the question. For example, unit 2. So it is giving me all about unit 2 because I have simply uploaded my syllabus, right? The most interesting part, see that it has given regarding searching, then sorting, hashing. So this was my unit 2. Okay. And now the most interesting part is the third one. Okay. You can create audio podcast, video podcast, slide. Okay. So what I will do, I'll click on everything. Even it is asking me for video, I can create a video. I can customize if needed. Go to generate video, then mind map, infographics, flashcard, quiz. So these many things I have given. And you can observe that it has started creating. Okay, for audio, slide deck and video, it normally take time. Mind map, quiz, flashcard will be created immediately. And this entire thing you can share to the students by using this share option. Simply copy this link and share with your students. Okay, why to share? I'll show you. It is creating this. Meanwhile, can I go on Claude? ये जब तक create करेगा तब तक मैं Claude आपको ले लूं नया tool.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So coming towards the Claude. Claude is wonderful AI tool. You can create various reports, even entire research paper by using this Claude. Okay, so I'll show you how. Suppose you have a topic, write a research paper of 5 pages for one of the international conference. You can even mention the link here. If you are interested in Scopus paper, you can mention the link of that particular, the paper, sorry, that site, journal site. Okay, it will take care of entire formatting, all the details. Okay, that you need to mention, but as a link. Okay, on digital twins for monitoring the health of patient at home. So this is what the title I have given. Title can be customized. Okay. Please add abstract, sorry, title, then abstract, keywords, introduction, literature, review, then methodology, results and discussion, conclusion, references. So I have given this prompt. Okay. What prompt I have given? Write a research paper of 5 pages for one of the international conference on digital twins for monitoring the health of patient at home. This is the title that I have given. Please add title, comma, abstract, keywords, introduction, all the components of research paper that I have given. And then say go. What you can do with Claude? Currently, Claude is one of the topmost AI tool. You can create, you can create your research paper through this, your notes through this, your PPTs through this. Okay, even you can draw a diagram from this. You can create PPTs from this. So many things are possible. This is very, very powerful tool, but it has one serious drawback. Okay, its tokens are, getting filled. Okay, and it will give you a message in between. Your limit is over. Use it up to 4 hours. This is what one of the challenge. I have used the paid version also. Normally $17 to $20 it is taking. It is worth paying. If you want, you can. Otherwise, create multiple logins and use give the command to each and every login. So I'll show you the outcome of PPT.
Meanwhile, there is a one question from the few participants.
Yes. Yes,
What is the risk of plagiarism?
if you create through Claude, okay,
Yes.
plagiarism will be maximum 5 to 9%. But AI generation will be more. In that case, you need to use humanizer tool. So AI humanizer you can use, and you can anytime, get relief of it. Okay, plagiarism, you don't worry. Plagiarism will not come. But AI will be definitely there. And for that, you need to use AI humanizer. Okay, so I'm just mentioning here AI humanizer in chat window. That will be useful. Okay, so when you give the content to AI humanizer, what it will do, it will convert the AI generated text into humanize. Okay, once you have done that, then AI score will be 0, and plagiarism will be 5 to 6% only. No, AI tool will not help you to check plagiarism. For that, you need to use either Turnitin or any other tools. AI, yes. AI humanizer is doing that. Yeah, it will create notes in a proper Word format. I'll show you how. Okay, I'll show you outcome of this. This is my content that I have created through that. This is the PPT I have created from that, from Claude only. Okay, even these notes I have created through Claude only. But please don't rely on the content. We need to check each and every line. This is my humble request to all. See that this PPT, this entire slides are created through the Claude. Internet is taking time. Yeah, now you can observe. Data structures and algorithm, you can observe my name. then and right hand side, it has taken this particular format directly. Okay, so now you can see here what is data. Okay, all its detailing, then data structure, its definition and its operation, its types. Okay, even it has given comparison, the comparison in a different way. Okay, again comparison. Even it has given codes and algorithm. I'll show you that also. This diagram is again created from that. This is what the entire detailing. Some codes, some algorithms, table, mathematical, symbols, everything it has taken. See this. Okay, now I'll show you the code also. You can observe this code is given. Even some more detailed codes you can add. I can show you that also. See that this code is also there. Okay, but yes, I have taken care whether these codes are running or not. If it is not running, I have removed the error and then again pasted here. So the beauty of this Claude, you can anytime change the content, you can customize the content, you can edit the content. So this is beauty that I have shown. And then the second one, that is notes. So here you can see the notes of data structure again. All these notes were created. The colorful notes. This is generated by Claude. Okay, so from Claude, you can create a paper also. I'll show you my paper. One of the paper that I have, communicated to one of the, see this paper. This is after humanizer. See that this is the paper it has generated. Is it visible? Okay, so this entire paper is created. And let's have a look whether it has created a paper. Yes, see that the paper is ready. I'm simply downloading that paper. Uploading the paper, sorry, opening the paper. See that it has given a name. Since I have not mentioned about authors, okay, then abstract, it has taken keywords, introduction, literature review. Even it has given comparison of literature review, methodology, then personalism mechanism, then all these details, the experimental setup, results and discussion. It has taken even results, that is baseline, that is no DD means without digital twins. And this is what the proposed one. And it has shown the improvements also. And conclusion and then references are also added. This way a paper can be ready. You can even write your entire PhD thesis from this. It is possible. Okay, so what you can do with Claude? You can do many things. You can create research paper, you can create your notes, you can create PPTs. Okay, even there are so many other parts of on this Claude. Okay, I'll simply quickly show you that. See here, plus button is given. You can add your own skills. Okay, you can create new skill. For example, create a skill for CO/PO mapping where COs will be given by user. Means what it will do, it will create a one skill. Okay, so it will be short name. People can use that short name along with whatever COs which will be given. It will do the COPO mapping. See that it is asking me standard 12 POs. I'm saying yes, actually 11s are there, but I'm taking 12 right now. Just the mapping matrix or AI suggested correlation level, or you also want justification. So I want everything. Okay, then Excel spreadsheet, Word document, both. So currently I'm interested in, let's say, Excel sheet. Okay, so now it is creating what? The skill. Creating skill is something new that you can create, that you can share with others. People can upload that skill file into their own cloud and they can use it. That's the beauty of the skill. See that it has started creating. Okay, yes, जब तक create कर रहा है तब तक हम लोग notebook LM में जाएंगे. चलेगा? I'm sorry for switching because the time we are nearer to end. Okay, I'm here. So now you can observe it has created audio. पहले तो मैं आपको PPT दिखा देता हूँ. See that it has created a PPT. है ना? It has taken this entire 3 hours. Okay, prerequisite, then capabilities matrix, CO1 is matching with which contents, then linear and non-linear data structures. Okay, you can observe here again the examples are given. Okay, some more examples. Sorting, searching, trade-off matrix. So this way it has created, the PPT. Okay, now coming towards some more content that it has created. This one is good. That is mind map. It has created a mind map. See that the name of data structures and algorithm, 6 units are here. Then the contents of that is again here. If I click on array application, again, it will give me that. Okay, so you can explore this mind map. Okay, and if I click on sparse matrix, it will give me the information about sparse matrix here. So this mind map is not only mind map, it has attached the nodes also. That's the beauty. See here, the entire details about the sparse matrix is given. So this, when you share with students will get entire details. This is the beauty of mind map. Even it has created, the audio. I don't know whether it will be audible to you or not. Unfortunately, it is not audible to you, but it will create, the audio, wonderful audio podcast. Okay. Then again, quiz. See that the quiz is created. If I click here, it is showing me this is right answer. I have given wrong answer. Entire explanation will be given. I can go to the next question. Then the next question will be here. Again, next question. So likewise, entire quiz will be ready. And you can share this quiz by using share option to the students. That is the beauty. Again, one more thing, that is flashcard. So flashcards also will be visible. How are linear data structure distinguished from non-linear data structure? Okay, so you can see the answers here. It has given answer. So you can take it into classroom. So various flashcards were generated. Okay, so this is all about flashcard. So what it has generated till date: audio, PPT, flashcard, quiz, mind map. It is still generating video. And there is roadmap, a beautiful roadmap. I always like this. Initial content you can always keep like this. See how beautifully it has given. Entire roadmap, linear data structure, then what are the things that you need to study? All information it has shown, along with some of the applications. Okay, that's the beauty. So I really love this, the infographics, the way it is creating. So only what is left? Video. So video will definitely take time. But let's try. You all can try this. Okay, this is all about notebook LM that I was talking about. Okay. So it has created a skill now. You can download this skill. See here, you can download. Once the skill is downloaded, you can see that COPO mapping will be given in this particular format. Later on, you need to upload that skill here. Manage skill. And here you need to upload the skill. Okay, browse and then upload. Okay, once you have uploaded, you can see your own skills and that you can use. So the question comes, why to create skill? For any repetitive task, suppose you are taking care of, let's say, 3 courses, 2 theory and 1 practical. For every time you need to write a big prompt. Instead of writing big prompt, simply write a one name. That will be a name of skill. And simply provide the number of course outcomes. Once given, it will take care of what? The COPO mapping. This is all about Claude. So friends, it's 4 p.m. Okay, and I'm on now the last slide. With a new tool, that is Mentimeter. So if you scan this, you can give the feedback of session and you can even ask the question. Just scan this. The last assignment from me. Very sorry to give you more and more assignments. Okay, once you scan, you will get this. You can simply write here and say submit. Yeah. Just a minute,
Sir,
I'll
please
show you the
share the
QR
QR.
code.
QR.
Yeah. Just a minute. See that
Once
people are
again,
answering
all are
and I can
asking
see
for the
the.
e.
Yeah. I'll show you. I'm simply showing
All are
that.
concentrated on ebook links.
Yes. I'll share the ebook. Don't worry. Before I leave, I'll definitely share the ebook. This is my commitment to you. See that people are showing, people are giving the answers, and I can see that the session was very good. I learned many new things. Okay. I found the notebook LM tool very interesting. Okay. So people can appreciate, people can give the feedback, people can ask the question by using this Mentimeter. Okay. Use prompt, podcast making, infographics, smarter way of report making. Okay. How to focus on teaching and not on documentation. See, all these feedbacks are coming from people, right? That's the beauty of, this Mentimeter. This is one of the ICT tool. So, my dear friends, thank you so much. Before I leave, I'll be happy to take some questions, if at all there. And I'm sharing the book with you all. Ebook with you all.
Almost all queries have been solved by the sir during the conversation or the session itself. Still, if you have any query, you can have put it in the chat box.
Now, how to upload this file, PDF file? Madam,
Directly
again, can I
copy
share
paste it,
with
sir.
you?
Directly
Yeah.
you can paste it, sir.
Which +1?
No, directly just drag and drop.
Yeah, I'm trying for drag and drop, but somehow it is not.
Okay, no issues.
Helping.
You can just email me. I can put it here.
I'm trying it once. Tried, but not happening. Anyways, I'll share with you.
Yes, sir.
The last trouble from me, Preeti madam.
No problem, sir. This is for us only.
I've shared the ebook with you in PDF form. Please share that with participants. So thank you all the participants and all the organizers, especially Patil madam, especially Preeti madam, for giving me this opportunity to put forth whatever I know little bit about this all AI tools and ICT tools with you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
The session was really nice. I hope that audience will like it and they will definitely use in their current semester.
Great, great, madam. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you all once again.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Just a minute.
Hmm.
Hello. It's a request to all of you to switch on your camera to have a group photo. It's disabled. Might be at the time of the joining of the meeting they have sent. Okay, those who are able, you can just switch on your camera so that we can have a group photo. We'll wait for just 1 minute. Dr. Sanghavi, sir. Okay, thank you. It's done. Thank you all of you for your interactive participation in the FDP. It was a nice session by Dr. Sanghavi, sir. So our day 3 will be based on now LLM and Professor Dr. Pratik Kumar Shah, sir, will be there. Okay. Again, one more instruction to all of you. Attendance and the quiz is mandatory to get the certificates. So 80% attendance and along with the quiz and the feedback daily, you need to submit it. Okay. So see you there. And about the PDF, whatever the Sanghavi sir had sent, I will just post it in the WhatsApp group. Yes, quiz link already has been shared by Pathak sir. Professor Divya, Dr. Divya ma'am. Thank you, Sanghavi sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank Thank you. It was great session. Thank you, all of you. Yes, feedback and the quiz link again will be posted in the WhatsApp group.